Hi everybody, Tek-Know Creep and the Creepette here. I know I'm a little late to the party, but I finally got something that I've been looking at, and a lot of people have actually made a lot of YouTube videos on, so check those guys out. It's the B Meowsik. Now this has been around for, what, like a couple of years almost, and I finally got my hands on one, courtesy of this lovely lady next to me.
What can I say?
It's a pretty cool little keyboard. It's two-note polyphony, which can't do any really complex chords, but you know what? It's a lot of fun. So we're going to turn it on and just kind of show you what it can do. So basically, the keys is teeth. It's very happy looking. Unlike the Butterfly, where it looks really pissed off all the time. See Butterfly? He's always pissed off all the time. But B Meowsik's always happy because he's gonna play songs with your kids and stuff. Probably can't hear it. You probably hear it. You can hear it. It's got a little retractable microphone, which is kind of cool. But the only issue is you can't record with it. Like. No. Well. Here's the other thing too.
You really have to put your mouth really into it.
Yeah, almost like you're playing like a wind instrument. It does have an onboard record / sampler, which is kind of cool. Basically, it's got looks like 5 different patches on it. Piano, bells, and of course the very popular cat sound. An organ, and then a banjo, which I could use that sound a lot actually. That's a really cool sound.
The organ's not bad either.
The organ's not bad. Like, this is where the two-note polyphony is kind of at a loss, because with the organ you like to have some really complex chords, and you can only do 2 fingers at a time, so it's like, see, nothing else.
Wow.
That's okay. That's okay, because you can easily sample this and layer it in a DAW, inside of a DAW, so you're fine. But the only other setback is that it doesn't have an output on it, and it just makes noise via this tiny little speaker right here, and it sounds like shit. So what I'm going to do first, before I do anything with this keyboard, is put a output on it. So, yeah, pretty cool. Oh, that's another thing too. It has drums too. You know, you got rock, blues. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put an output on this thing, probably in the back of his head or somewhere. I'm not sure yet. And maybe we'll record something with it. It'll be fun. Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Maybe do something with that microphone.
Well, what's cool is once there's an output on here, this will be like lo-fi microphone. So I'll be able to do like that lo-fi, thing.
Yeah.
Which would be really cool.
Retractable.
Retractable. It's high technology, man. So, yeah. So that's what we're going to do next. was a quick and easy modification. See, now we have an output on this guy, so we should be able to plug it in. Just so happen to have a plug right here. Let's turn her on and see what happens. Crystal clear. Nice. Now we can record with it. Let's test the microphone.
As they were testing the microphone. So that's a real, like, lo-fi style microphone. That's pretty cool. Yeah, B Meowsik, motherfucker.
Let's test the drums. Oh. Gain up on that guy. Yeah. Excellent! It works really nicely. So that was me modifying the B Meowsik keyboard with an output. We're going to do some really cool stuff with this in later videos. I'm planning on doing an entire song with this. Why not?
Why not?
Why the hell not? You know, I've seen other people do it. I mean, I'm talking, you know, like Simon the Magpie's done it.
Heck yeah.
That 8-Bit Keys guy did it.
Yep.
I think he did it. Did he do it?
I don't know.
Anyway, I may or may not put links to their videos in the description. So, yeah, that's the B Meowsik, and now it's got an output. And I honestly think it should all come standard with this shit because, I mean, let's face it, this keyboard's pretty fucking badass.
Mm-hmm.
So, yay!
Very good.
So, till next time, bye-bye!